YouTube, what's happening, man? Like as y'all can see, man, super dirty. Man, we been out here getting it. Been out here getting it. Been out here getting it. I don't know what that is. Yeah, man. So, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all, cause man, I'm cold. I'm tired. But, as you can see, yeah. In my dog voice. Gotta shave a little bit more. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. Oh yeah. The dry shaft in now, y'all. The dry shaft is in. Oh. The uppers in. Ooh wee. It's on there. Where did washer go? Where did washer go right there? Huh. Guess we're gonna find out in a minute, huh? Man, I hope we ain't leaving no wash out. Let me get up under here and look. That. Man, right there. Cold game. Oh well, we'll get it. But anyway, yeah, man. The UMI is in here, man. It is in here. We ain't worry about that wash. We can get that. We'll knock that out. We'll knock that out. One little rip. We ain't worry about that. But yeah. Dry shaft in. Ooh. I'm ready. I'm ready. So yeah. Wheels are centered. Yeah, I can't hardly see it, but wheels are centered. Man, it's going down. Man, we putting in work, man. I heard man Road Trackmania 2K19, man. I think this ought to be part 16, I think. Probably can't see on this side, it's kind of dark, but it's touching a little bit on this side where it's touching, because it ain't. The car gonna drop down some more once I shave this material off, because you know what I'm saying, it's sitting on the tire right now. So yeah, man. Yeah. Man, we are putting in the work, man. So man, it's your boy Below 25, man. Y'all tuned in to the Below Network on channel Below 25. Man, we put the work in, trying to get my rolls together. These are the only two wires I got left to connect to the harness, I think. Man, count down the start up, man. Count down the start up. That thing gonna be alright, man. But yeah. It's your boy Below 25, man. Yeah,